everyone. Well, today we're checking the future perfect negative form. Future perfect negative form. Here we go. Okay, here we are. We have here an affirmative example. You will have graduated from high school by July. You will have graduated from high school by July. This is the structure for the negative. Subject will not have verb in participle, complement, and time expressions. The time expressions can be by then, by the time, by 11 p.m., by tomorrow, and you can mention an event, for example, by Valentine's Day. Example number 1. The man will not have finished his work by tomorrow. The man will not have finished his work by tomorrow. Example number 2. Example number 2. Life will not have changed too much in poor places by next year. Life will not have changed too much in poor places by next year. Next example. Well, this example, the boy will not have finished his exam by 10 o'clock. The boy will not have finished his exam by 10 o'clock. The last example. I will not have arrived to work by 8 p.m. I will not have arrived to work by 8 p.m. Don't forget to subscribe, watch the next video, and look for special topics videos. See you next time.